What are some injuries to look out for if I've been in a car accident?
Hello, friends. I'm Jim Adler, the tough, smart lawyer. In today's video, we are going to discuss some of the injuries that can occur as a result of a car accident, but don't always show up right away.
After a motor vehicle accident, whether it is a high-speed crash or a fender bender, there are a variety of injuries that could be caused and that victims should be aware of. Although it is more common to be seriously injured in high-speed crashes, victims can be seriously injured in low-speed and fender benders, particularly the neck and spine. However, not all personal injuries are immediately apparent after an accident. This does not mean that they are not serious, though. Some of the most serious personal injuries may show little or no signs after an accident, but could result in catastrophic injury, require surgery, or lead to death. Our Texas car accident lawyers at Jim Adler & Associates want you to be particularly aware of some of these serious and catastrophic injuries to be on the lookout for after a motor vehicle accident, including the following. Brain injuries. While some brain injuries are apparent when they occur, that is not always true. A victim could sustain a brain injury without actually hitting their head on anything in a collision. This is because a violent whiplash motion could slide the brain back and forth inside the head, causing it to sustain an injury inside the skull. Some brain injuries can also be catastrophic or fatal, but the symptoms may be barely visible. For instance, a brain bleed may cause a mild headache, but could become a medical emergency if not treated, resulting in the wrongful death of an innocent person if they are not treated promptly. Back and neck injuries. Even if you have no back pain or mild back pain, as the days go on, it may become stiff, sore, and then start to hurt seriously. This pain can be debilitating after a few days and be the result of a slipped disc, herniated disc, annular tear, or other damage to the muscles over the spine, which begin to get inflamed and impinge on the nerves or spinal cord itself. As a result, even though there may have been no pain initially, victims may ultimately need a spinal fusion to repair the damage done. Shoulder injuries. The violence of a motor vehicle accident could result in shoulder injuries from the seatbelt. This could cause tears or injuries such as a slap tear to the ball and socket part of your shoulder, rotator cuff tears, what help move and stabilize your shoulder, and to the biceps, which help pull. Knee pain. The knees are always susceptible to serious injury in a motor vehicle accident, either from the force of the impact, the pushback from pedals, or striking the dashboard or side door.
If you were injured in a motor vehicle accident and suffer from any other symptoms such as chest pain, stomach pain, weakness, or excessive fatigue, call a doctor for treatment and then call our Texas car accident lawyers for help at Jim Adler & Associates. You can reach us easily at 1-800-567-7575 or through our website at jimadler.com. Thank you very much.